Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm just going to go over and show you how to use the little plugin fix what we got for the Elementor issue that we're having at the moment. So as you can see at the moment on this site, we've got, if you look in the bottom left corner, you've got TEL 727, which is correct. If I jump into here and now upload to 2.9.11, and then jump across here and do a refresh. If we look now, we've got the TEL %5B and the %5D at the end, which obviously messes everything up. So what we need to do is actually upload this little plugin. Just 2 ticks because I can't remember where I put it. Yep, it's in downloads, that's fine. So we go to here. So add new. Upload. Choose your file. Downloads. Where's it at? Elementor Fix. Now you'll have to download this from the MPP download page. Mike's going to put it up there, it'll be up there, and basically just download it. And once you've downloaded, obviously download somewhere where you can find it easy. Do that, install. It's installed. Now we just activate it. That's done. Do a refresh. And there we have it. If we go there, you've now got it back to TEL 727.686. And that just saves you going through and using my bit of code, because obviously it works on all the buttons all at once across your site. Okay, hope that was helpful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.